Hello there, beauty ravers, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Raven, and this is where I like to rave about beauty. If you would ever so kindly hit that like and subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube, it means so much to me. Now, without further ado, let's jump on into the video. Hi guys, today we are unboxing February Boxycharm. Are you excited? Because I am. I picked my choice item this month, and it's a good one, so let's get on into it. Just gonna open her up right here. Hello, Charmers. All right, let's see what we got. Guys, I'm excited. So we have the card right here. I do not like spoilers, so I'm not going to read what we have in this box. I like to just pull them out randomly and see what we got. But I guess our theme this month is hugs and kisses. So, to all my lovely subscribers. And the first thing I get here is I believe it's pronounced Trèstique. It is, what is it? It is a Good Vibes mascara and an eye pencil. So let's open it. Wow. This looks complicated. I'm not really sure what it is, but so I think this is mascara, but I don't know how. Okay. It says flip down to curl. Okay. Oh, this is really weird. So I guess there's an eyelash curler in this. And you like curl. This is really interesting. All right then. And then I'm guessing the mascara is on this end? Yes. So then you have your mascara wand, which looks something like this. A very interesting concept having the lash curler in it. I mean, I guess that's cool. I don't know. Depending on how much this costs to make, it's almost not worth it because once the mascara is gone, you know, like you're probably going to throw away the tube, right? But then you'll have the like lash curler still. So like, should you keep the tube? Honestly, I don't love this. I think it's a little bit gimmicky in my opinion, but it's interesting. I'll definitely give it a shot. I mean, I have a lash curler that I use every day and it's fine. I don't really need that. But hopefully the mascara is good and that's really all I care about. So I'm never mad to get a new mascara because mascara is something I go through, you know, every 3 months. It's never a bad idea to have a new mascara. And then we have this eyeliner, and I'm going to guess this is in black. I mean, yeah, Santorini, I believe, black sand, which, yes, black eyeliner. It's a retractable liner, which I prefer, honestly, so that's nice. Let's give it a little swatch. Ooh, that glides on super nicely. Okay, I'm excited to try this in the waterline. Hopefully it'll last. I can never have enough black eyeliner if I'm being honest, so that is nice to have. Interesting little duo, but I'm not mad at it. Let's dive into our next item, shall we? And this is what I pulled out. Let's figure out what this is because all I see is Evio Beauty or Evo Beauty. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. It says Porefect Primer. Oh, it's a primer. It is a matte finish primer, which I'm not huge on matte finish because I prefer dewy. As you can see, I'm glowing to Mars with this Colourpop Flexitarian highlighter on today. But however, this could be good if it fills the pores nicely. I mean, you can always add the highlighter on afterwards, am I right? It says it's natural, vegan, conscious, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and toxic-free, which we love all of those things. So, I mean, that's good, right? Directions. Smooth a dime size of primer over clean, moisturized skin before applying foundation. Enjoy longer lasting makeup. So it claims that it makes your makeup stay longer. See, I don't really use a primer for that. I kind of just like it to make my application easier. So I don't know. We'll see if that actually does something. We'll see. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I have a tad bit of an obsession with primers, and I honestly don't know why. But I think I'm addicted. I just did my primer Declutter, and I just had so many. I think I started with 14. I don't know why I need that many. Because honestly, guys, moisturizer does about the same job as the primer does. And I have a lot of moisturizers too. So I don't know why I'm obsessed with these things. But I mean, I love to feel hydrated. Am I the only one out there? I don't know. I am excited to try it though. And then next, this is the probiotic skincare. Okay, I love me some good skincare products, so I'm not mad to see this. I know some people have been like ragging on Boxycharm lately for throwing in so much skincare, but personally, I love to see it. So, what is this? It's So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. I'm happy to have another exfoliator. I don't have very many because I don't exfoliate that often, but you know, it's good to have them on deck, you know, can't ever hurt. So it says, feed your skin the good stuff. Formulated without parabens, sulfates, mineral and oil, petroleum. I'll be honest, some of these things I can't pronounce, but I'm guessing they're not good for you and it's free of them, so that's cool. I don't know, I'm sorry. Retinol, gluten, synthetic fragrance. It's all free of that. And other things that I can't pronounce. And they're cruelty-free. We love that. So, clean and effective. So purifying, so poreless. Powered by pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. This deeply exfoliating scrub helps purify pores to minimize the look of blackheads. Lactic acid and gentle hibiscus flower polish pores. Probiotics, raspberry leaf, and pomegranate reveal smoother and softer skin. Apply on clean skin with warm water, gently massage in a circular motion before rinsing. Use 2 to 3 times per week. I'm gonna give it a shot tonight, so we'll see. Next. What is next? It's this, and I think it's brushes, so I'm pretty excited. It is from Glamierre. Glamierre? I hope I'm saying that right. I think. Anyways, this cute little set, and it's a see-through, and that's how I can see the brushes in there. Let's open her up. So they come in this cute little pink bag, which I think is actually really adorable. I love that color. And it's like kind of see-through, and that's how I could see the brushes. So let's open this and look at the actual brushes inside. All right. Oh, these are so adorable. Look at the brushes. Hold on. You guys gotta see this cuteness. There's little hearts, like glitter hearts in there, and then they like move with the water. I will do a little focus in a second and show you. But anyways, there are 4 brushes, and they don't have names on them, which I'm not a huge fan of. They don't have numbers either. I love being able to tell you guys what brushes I'm going in with when I do my eye looks. But there are tutorials I do where I don't name my brushes. So this will be good for those, but not so much the other ones. So yeah, anyway. So you get 4 different brushes. So these are the 4 brushes you get, and as you can see, 2 of them are smaller and 2 of them are a little bit larger. They have the little glitter hearts in them, and they move around with the water. I think that's so adorable. I love this. I'm a child at heart, guys, so I could play with these all day if I'm being honest. I just think this is so fun. But yeah, these are super cute. I'm excited to try them out and see the quality of them. So the last product we have is my choice item, and I am literally so excited for this, guys. This makes the entire box for me, if I'm being honest, and that is going to be the Beautē Nostalgia palette. If I'm being honest, I have wanted this palette for quite a while now, guys. And I'm so happy that I got to choose it for my box. Okay, let's look at it because it's gorgeous, guys. I mean, it's so pretty. But you won't believe me till you see it, right? With your own little peepers. You deserve to see it. If you guys aren't new to my channel, you probably hear me rant and rave about Beautē all the time. And for good reason. Every single thing I've tried from them has been wonderful quality. So this, I'm so excited to try out, guys. So basically, the palette looks exactly like the box does. See, they're twins. Look at how pretty this color story is. You cannot tell me that's not gorgeous. It's so colorful, it's so playful, it's so spring, which is coming up, and it's so me, guys. If you know, you know. I adore colorful shadows. I mean, I have a pretty colorful look on today. My glasses are kind of fogging up the show over there, but I love colorful eyeshadow. It's my favorite thing to play with. So this palette has been calling my name for quite some time. I just never bit the bullet and bought it, but I'm so glad it's in my box because I just love the brand Beautē so much. They're an indie brand that I discovered last year, and I'm so glad that I did. I have their bronzer palette, their blush palette, their Scarlet Dusk eyeshadow palette, some of their lip liners. I just ordered some of their nails. I mean, I just love the brand so much, and everything I've tried from them so far has been bomb quality. So I'm very excited to try out this palette. Let's swatch her though, because let's be honest, you want to see swatches, I want to see swatches, we all want to see swatches. Let's swatch it. swatches, and I apologize. My swatches were terrible today. It's probably because I've had like 4 cups of coffee, and yeah, I'm very jittery, so my hands keep shaking and won't go in a straight line to save the life of me. But they are very pigmented shadows. You even saw them go over my tattoo, and you could still see the pigment, which that's a sign right there. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I cannot wait to play with this on my eyes, and I am very, very happy to have this in my box. Now let's go through and see how much the total value of this box is worth. So the first thing here is the Beautē Nostalgia palette, which I am so excited about. And this retails for $38.99, which honestly I think is fair. It's an indie brand, so it costs more to make. And also the quality seems like it's going to be wonderful. And if it's anything like the other products I've tried from Beautē, it's going to be wonderful. So I definitely think that that's a fair price. So next is the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Oh, that's going to be this guy right here. Which, did I take him out? Why do I always forget to take things out? It always seems like every unboxing I do at Boxycharm, I forget to like unbox one item, and it's this one. This is the Tula Skincare. We went over this. This is an exfoliator. And this retails for $32. I don't know. Is it a good exfoliator? I mean, it better be at $32, right? I will be trying this out tonight, so we'll see. Next is the Trèstique Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara in the eye pencil. So that weird mascara thing, okay, yeah. That retails for $44. And I guarantee you if it wasn't for that weird eyelash curler built into the mascara, it wouldn't be that expensive. And let's be honest, I don't think anybody really needs that. So, I mean, I'll try it out. Maybe it'll be the best mascara I've ever used. But I don't think I would ever repurchase a $44 mascara and eyeliner. I just don't think that that's going to happen for me, okay? But, you know, it is what it is. I'm not mad that it's in the box, so, yeah. Next, we have the Glamierre Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection, which is the brushes, of course. And this retails for $29.95. I'd have to try out the brushes to let you know if I think that's a fair price or not. But, I mean, $30 for 4 brushes. If they are really good quality, it's not that bad. And lastly, we have the Evio Beauty porefect Primer. And this retails for $23. If it's a really good primer, I could see $23 being a fair price point. So, I'd have to let you guys know on that because obviously I have never tried it. But, yeah. So, altogether, my box came to a total of... I don't know because I don't know how to do math. Let me go find out. Alright guys, so my total box value is $167.94. That's a lot of money. Holy guacamole. And if you don't know, I only paid $25 because this is the base box. And base box for Boxycharm is $25 monthly. And I'm honestly pretty excited. I think this was a really well-balanced box. It got some beauty, we got some skincare, we got the Beautē palette, which I am like so excited about. And we got some brushes. I mean, we got some good stuff this month. I am definitely happy about this box, and I cannot wait to see what March holds for us. I am also very excited about Pop-Up right now. If you aren't aware, Pop-Up is up. I don't know if it'll be up when you guys see this video though, so, you know, there's that. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for me today. I hope you have a wonderful day and stay beautiful. Mwah.